Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given town A and town B. So I'm going to just sketch a diagram out. They are 100 kilometers apart. Alright, so from here to here is 1000 kilometers apart. And James, going to denote it with a red color. 8 AM, he start to depart from town B and move towards town A. 60 kilometers per hour. Before 8:30, half an hour later, Kumar then move from town A to town B at 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, so in this 60 minutes, in this 30 minutes, sorry, so from 8 AM to 8:30, the distance by James during here will be equals to 60 kilometer multiplied by half an hour. Okay, 30 minutes equals half an hour. So this one will be 30 kilometer. Okay, so this part here will be, let me just denote it here. So even before Kumar started traveling, James will have traveled 30 kilometer already. And at this point onwards, then Kumar started his journey. Okay, so after this, right, after 8:30, where both started traveling, then at this point I would like to then denote what we are trying to find here, the time where they pass each other. I'm going to let the time, this time taken for James and Kumar to meet each other, right, to pass each other, be T. Okay, and so this is going to be important because then from here on I would be able to want to find the distance by Kumar, which is equals to speed times time. So the speed by Kumar is 50 and the time taken is our letter T, hours, and therefore this one will be equals to 50T. As for distance by James, 60 kilometers per hour, that's the speed. Time is also T hours, 60T. So when I represent this on this particular diagram on top, it will be something like this, where we would have the 50T here, and I will have my 60T here. And a very important thing that everybody need to know is that actually for this part of the journey, right, is 70 kilometer, isn't it? That means 50t and 60t add up to 70t kilometer. So therefore, I would, for my first equation already, I would have 50t plus 60t. This will give me 70 kilometer. So if I continue to solve, 50 plus 60t, this one will give me 110t. This one is equals to 70, and therefore my t will be 70. I'm going to divide by 110 on both sides. And this one is given in hours. So come, let me create some more space. So I shall now convert it to from hours to minute. Means that I'm going to multiply by 60 to give me minute. So 70 over 110 times 60, 38.1818, and this one is to 6 Pacific, followed by 38 minute to the nearest minute. So that having for this part of the journey, which starts at 8:30, what will be the time they pass each other? So from 080, 8:30, 38 minutes later, 0908. And therefore that will be the final answer to this question. They will pass each other at 9:08 AM. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.